Oh wow, and there's Molly. Apparently everyone's here. Luckily Han Solo's out of the hospital. At least he got his arm fixed. A Groudon. Kyogre. And a Rayquaza. Yeah, it's me, Ash. BB-8. It is I, Waluigi. Okay, it was so crowded in here. Where's Luigi? Where are you? Oh, Finn. And I'm right here, Mario. Ugh. Well, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Yeah. Well, thank God for Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. Okay, so now what do we do? Wait, what are you doing, Joseph? We're waiting because...
Ow, my leg!
Oh.
It's kind of stuck.
So that's what he was getting. Junior was getting on that.
Come on, Joseph, let's go.
Wait, can we let some other people join? Yeah, we'd love to join in Nerf War. But we should...
Top secret.
But...
I can shoot your nose off.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can.
You wouldn't.
I would.
No.
Get out of here.
Okay, we're leaving. She.